Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's my last day here in sunny Benidorm and I've got a couple of hours to spare before I get my transport back to Alicante Airport. I did say if I had time I was going to slot in a little video which would be the indoor market. Now I'm a little bit away from the indoor market because Lynn Anderson blaring away with Rose Garden at the present moment. So it will silence the video, so I've had to stay a little bit away from the indoor market. There are three entrances into the indoor market. There's one up the side of the Recon by the KFC. The centre entrance is by the Hotel Nerio. And the one I'm going to use today is the one between the Hotel Pelicanos and the Hotel Opus and the Silver Dollar Bar. This is the entrance I'm going to use today. The three entrances do have steps and they do have ramps that will enable disability. So if you are in a wheelchair, you can get up the steps into the market via the ramps. The market is open Monday through till Saturday. So this is the entrance I'm going to go through today. As I said, it's the main one, just by the Silver Dollar Bar. You'll have to bear with me today, the pollen count is very high and it's playing havoc with my sinuses, so the eyes are streaming. So here's the indoor market. Most of the shops are self-explanatory, so I don't really have to tell you what they consist of. Most of the stall holders, the vendors, a lot of them speak mostly English, to be honest with you. But I'm just going to show you some of the stalls within the indoor market. There is a variety of items available, from t-shirts, some of your tacky stuff that you would normally find in Benidorm. So there you have Benidorm's world famous indoor market. I couldn't do a talk over as I went round the stalls because there's music blaring out on every other store. So that shows you some of the stuff that's on sale here at Benidorm's indoor market. And it brings me to a close for another video. Hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have done, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That will keep you up to date with any future videos. From me, Paul, here in Benidorm on my very last day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And bye for now.